Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to install your new real watch. For this we will need Pyomi shaders, the Yuma emulator, of course the real watch package, VRChat SDK for avatars 3.0, and I also use VR Labs Avatar 3.0 Manager. I have my avatar here that's pretty much ready and set up, so I'm gonna add a watch to it, which I've selected this one for this occasion. So I'm going to drag it onto the avatar, and it's going to stay in this position, which is the top level of the hierarchy. Now I'm going to add an empty object to the elbow, which is going to be named left hand anchor. And I go back to my watch object, and I'm going to add a parent constraint. I'm going to add a source, which I'm going to drag the left hand anchor to, and I'm going to zero it. And now what happens is that my watch is constrained to my object that is under the elbow. So what I do now is that I actually position and scale my watch so it's nicely fitted. For position and rotation I use the anchoring object, but for scale I need to scale the actual watch itself, so I'm going to do that real quick. I'm not going to do it perfect in this tutorial because that's not what the purpose of this is. Pretty sure you can do this yourself as perfect as you need and like. Just going to keep it this way for the purpose of the tutorial. So when you have this positioned as you want to be, now is the time to add parameters to the avatar, which is only 2 floats in this case. So I'm going to just add 2 floats, and you can find the names of these in the manual, which I'm going to show right here. It's just these 2, so I'm just going to quickly copy these here, and also the other one. Okay, so that's done, and now we need to add the FX layer for the watch into the avatar FX layer itself. So I'm presuming the avatar already has an FX layer, which I can see here. There's nothing here, but I presume you have your own already, so you want to merge them. So for that we can use 3.0 Manager of our VR Labs, and we drag the avatar here. We click the FX layer and we add an animator to merge. And you should find in the watch package VRChat files folder, and that is the FX layers folder, and I'm going to drag the night sky to it, and just going to delete this. So we're going to merge on current, and we have the original FX layer merged, and also it added the constellation watch system. So now it's pretty much done, and we can test this using the 3.0 emulator by Yuma that we imported before. So I'm going to add it here. I'm going to playtest the project, and I'm going to just make my avatar kneel because I want to see the watch. And now I'm going to adjust these 2 floats so I can see that the animations are working. So for that I'm going to find them here. I have only 2 of them. So let me just change the value. So this works pretty well. And I'm also going to adjust the constellations of it to see if it's turning. And it's turning pretty well. So now everything is set up. You don't have to do anything else, and you can enjoy your new watch in game. Thank you for watching.